Every time a phone rings in your business, a clock starts ticking. For decades, managing that clock meant scaling up human teams. Today, the sound of your customer's voice can be processed, analyzed, and answered in milliseconds by advanced software. The rigid menus asking you to press 1 for sales, press 2 for support are entirely obsolete. Today's autonomous voice agents understand intent and manage context to hold fluid, two-way conversations. The rapid adoption of this technology is driven by a strict, immediate calculation of unit economics. Look at this comparison chart. A fully loaded human agent runs between 75 cents and $1.50 per minute. An AI calling agent handles that exact same minute for roughly 15 cents. You are looking at a 5 to 10 times cost reduction per interaction. When you process thousands of concurrent calls, that margin represents massive operational savings. Businesses integrating these systems are capturing a present-day financial arbitrage to edge out their competitors. To understand how this works at scale, we have to look under the hood. The brain of a modern calling agent relies on 4 separate layers functioning together in near-instantaneous synchronization. This document details the technology stack. The process starts with speech-to-text, converting spoken audio into data. That data feeds immediately into a large language model, the reasoning engine deciphering intent and drafting a response. Next, a text-to-speech engine turns that drafted response back into human-like audio, complete with breathing nuances. Finally, the telephony layer connects the whole system to the public phone network. For those 4 steps to feel natural to a human caller, they have to execute incredibly fast. The absolute ceiling for acceptable latency is 800 milliseconds, from the moment the customer stops speaking to the moment the AI replies. Hitting that sub-800 millisecond threshold consistently requires routing data through premium, high-speed models, which directly increases the permanent cost of operating the agent. Choosing your infrastructure requires balancing your technical capabilities with this rigid speed requirement. Deploying a platform that doesn't match your architecture leads to severe robotic audio delays, awkward conversational pauses, and ultimately frustrated customers. The market today is dominated by a handful of major platforms, but they are not interchangeable. Each is built for a highly specific business profile. This quadrant chart maps the top options based on the technical skill they demand versus their primary operational focus, ranging from simple inbound containment all the way to massive outbound scaling. The first group sits at the top of the technical scale. These are platforms built specifically for developers and enterprise teams who require absolute control over their system architecture. According to the 2026 market comparison, retail AI is the gold standard for achieving the lowest latency and highest voice quality. Right alongside it, Vapi offers maximum flexibility and modularity for highly custom builds. Utilizing these powerful tools requires heavy input. You must dedicate extensive software engineering hours to write custom code and wire up complex API integrations from scratch. This path yields the most reliable, human-sounding agent possible. However, the massive upfront capital required means it only makes sense if you have an in-house technical team ready to build and maintain the system. Sales and marketing organizations prioritize a completely different objective: rapid lead generation and outbound scaling. Looking back at the market data, this is where platforms like Bland AI and Air AI dominate the field. These tools allow a single sales team to execute thousands of outbound calls simultaneously, qualifying leads and writing the data directly back into your CRM in real time. The trade-off here is control. Unlike a predictable inbound support call, outbound sales environments are chaotic. Prospects interrupt, ask tangential questions, and raise highly specific objections. You gain unmatched operational volume, but safely deploying these tools requires continuous manual transcript review. Your team must constantly refine the system prompts to ensure the AI doesn't hallucinate or lose its way during complex negotiations. That leaves our small businesses and agencies. These teams lack dedicated engineering resources, but they still need immediate relief from high call volumes. For this particular group, the clear standout platform is Synthflow. It operates entirely on a drag-and-drop builder with over 50 native integrations. A non-technical user can connect their existing software and launch a functional agent for basic FAQ handling or appointment reminders in a matter of days. The compromise for this speed is back-end control. By choosing a pre-built environment, you forfeit the ability to customize the deep code structure if your workflow suddenly requires something outside the platform's standard templates. Even with that limitation, the math works out. For a small business, paying a slightly higher bundled premium is a small price for the ability to bypass the human bottleneck without hiring a single developer. Alongside these varied capabilities, the industry's billing structure has fractured away from traditional flat monthly fees in favor of highly granular models. This table outlines the new standard. A per-minute model minimizes overhead for fluctuating volumes, while a base subscription unlocks discounted rates for steady demand. Specialty options include bundled rates for predictable metrics and outcome-based pricing for successful actions like booked appointments. Securing long-term financial predictability requires matching your business's call volume volatility directly to the corresponding billing model. Do not fall for the plug-and-play marketing. A successful, profitable deployment demands a rigid, phased rollout strategy. This flowchart maps the mandatory pipeline. You start with structured inbound queries, where caller intent is obvious. You build the architecture, then push the system into a restricted sandbox testing phase. In the sandbox, you test edge cases internally, then run a small beta to a fraction of your target audience. This identifies where the AI fails before you risk your brand reputation on a full-scale public launch. Even after rigorous testing, every viable system requires an ultimate operational safety net, the human-in-the-loop protocol. The system must be programmed with a confidence threshold. The moment the AI's certainty drops, because a customer asks an unscripted question or expresses frustration, it triggers an automatic, seamless warm transfer to a live human agent. AI calling is a massive operational multiplier, not a day-one total replacement for your staff. Realizing a 5x reduction in costs takes strategic deployment, continuous refinement, and knowing exactly when a human still needs to take the wheel.